guys, it's Samantha. Thanks for stopping back and visiting my channel. I just received my very first ever Scrapping for Less mystery subscription package, and I thought that I would open it up and show you what I got. So it comes in this really pretty teal bag, which I love, and inside we have, let's see, it comes with this, I think they put this in just for stability and to keep things from getting bent and messed up. It's a really awesome idea. Okay, so we have this clear bag that comes in, which I love. I can reuse that for Happy Meal and things. And we have a piece of baker's twine. It's pink and white. We have some flowers. This one got a little smushed. Got 2 blue flowers. Oh, these are the cool kind that you can put a brad in the center. We have 2 blue, 2 orange, and a yellow. Then we also have, oh, this really cute Avery Elle fairy stamp set. It is the May Fairies. It's really, really pretty stamp set. Love that. And we also have a sequins mix. It's like this sort of iridescent, almost like a pastel colored mix. And then we have some patterned paper. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets. I'll just show you. We have butterflies and pink polka dots on the back. I love the polka dots. Another butterfly floral pattern with this really cool zigzag multicolored background. Another floral with some leaves and this pink pattern on the back. Butterflies and flowers with this very pretty sort of dainty floral pattern. This flower with ferns and butterflies, and then on the back pink stripes. And then lastly we have another butterfly and floral theme with pink stripes on the back. So I think that this is just a fun little kit, and it's a really good price. I will have Scrapping for Less linked down in the description. It isn't an affiliate link or anything like that, just a link there if you'd like to check it out. Thanks so much for stopping by and visiting my channel, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.